Hello everyone, this is Dnero Presentation. Dnero is a personal finance app that turns everyday transactions into practical financial guidance. It tracks spending, measures financial health, and users can learn useful financial concepts. The problem is most people do not understand how spending affects their financial goals, so they need guidance, not just charts, education, not just tracking. Dnero features include natural language transaction, AI transaction analysis, financial health check, a page to learn financial concepts. Dnero collects user inputs, parses it, makes analysis, advises, and responds. Each stage is tracked, logged, and measured with OPIC, with AI prompt version tracking, dataset creation for experiment and evaluation, annotation queues for trace reviews and feedback labeling. Why all this matters is it helps users to understand and improve their financial behavior. It also demonstrates how OPIC can be used in real user-facing AI systems. Now let's move to the demo. So when the user logs into the application, into our application, they come to their dashboard page where they'll see their total balance, total income, and the total expense. Then there's the magic input. When they say something, they want to log a transaction, they say spent $100 on movie subscription, and they'll say spending alert. The AI is going to parse this transaction and going to pop a spending alert showing you're making solid progress and tips on how they should manage their funds or how they should manage their spending. And we are going to see an expense trend. We're also going to see income distribution, and then the recent transaction. This spending alerts is going to be related to the goals that the users have set in the goals page. As you can see, we have our get new desktop table goal, we have a save a new laptop goal. Whatever spending alert that the user gets is going to be related to this. When the users click analyze, they'll be able to get full analysis on their financial health. This is the financial health analysis. We'll see the health score, we'll see the summary, we'll see the observed habits, we'll see the optimization tips, we'll see the habits to adopt, so as to keep users focused on their financial goals. The user can also go to the learn page where they'll learn different financial concepts, and when they click on it, there's an interactive section where they can learn about the concept, the key takeaway, and also check their knowledge by answering questions for each of these modules. If we come to the OPIC dashboard, we'll see the different traces that has been logged. We can also go to the dataset section where we'll see the different dataset that has been created for each of the LLM interaction type. And then in our prompts library, we'll see the different prompts for each of the LLM interactions. We'll see each of the system prompts and each of the user prompts that we use in the application. Then if we go to the configuration, we'll see the different feedback scores that we have created so that we can be able to properly annotate each of the traces. And then finally, when we go to the annotation queue, we have different annotation queues for different LLM interaction types, because we have 4 major interaction types, LLM interactions. So we have 4 different annotation queues, and you see that these are the progress of the annotations that we have done for each of the traces and each of the annotations.